Hey there! Is your Google TV remote giving you a headache? Don't worry, because today I'll be showing you how to fix Google TV remote not working. Whether it's unresponsive buttons, connectivity issues, or battery woes, we've got you covered with practical solutions to get your remote working smoothly again. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first step in solving your remote issues is to check the batteries. Weak or dead batteries are often the culprit behind a non-responsive remote. Here's how to do it. Remove the batteries from your remote control. Look for any signs of corrosion or dirt in the battery compartment. Clean if necessary. Replace the old batteries with new, high-quality ones. Make sure the batteries are inserted in the correct orientation. Try using the remote again to see if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Re-establish the connection. Sometimes the connection between your Google TV and its remote can be disrupted. Re-establishing this connection might just do the trick. First, power cycle your Google TV by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for about 10 seconds, and then plugging it back in. On your remote, press and hold the button combination specified in your device manual to initiate the pairing mode. Typically, this could be the home and back buttons held together. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear on your TV to complete the pairing process. This should restore communication between the remote and the Google TV. Step 3. Reset the remote. If your remote continues to misbehave, a reset might be necessary. Here's how you can reset your Google TV remote. Remove the batteries from the remote. Press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Reinsert the batteries and see if the remote starts working. Resetting the remote usually resets any minor glitches affecting its functionality. Step 4. Update your Google TV software. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues between your Google TV and its remote. Keeping your device updated is crucial. Navigate to settings on your Google TV using an alternative method, such as a mobile app or another paired device. Select About and then System Update to check for any available updates. If updates are available, follow the prompts to download and install them. Updating the software might resolve any underlying issues causing the remote to malfunction. Step 5. Check for physical damage. Finally, inspect the remote for any physical damage. Drops or spills can impair its performance. Examine the remote for cracks, loose buttons, or signs of liquid damage. If you find any damage, consider getting a replacement or having it repaired by a professional. Physical damage is often irreparable at home and might require specialized attention. There you have it. With these steps, you should now know how to fix Google TV remote not working. Whether it's a simple battery change or a bit of troubleshooting magic, these solutions should help you regain control of your Google TV. Remember, regular maintenance and careful handling of your remote can prevent many common issues. But if all else fails, contacting customer support or replacing the remote might be your next step. Enjoy your renewed remote experience and happy streaming.